So hello everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to make number 2. So we're starting with a cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 8. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make one single crochet and one single crochet in every chain till the end. For row 2 and 5, I'm gonna chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. So 2, 3, 4 and 5, I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in every stitch. Once I reach row 5 and I finish the single crochet, I'm gonna chain 13 from my last point. Coming back from the last chain, I'm gonna make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in the next 9 stitches. From that point, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and then I'm gonna do 2 single crochet together in the last stitch. For row 8, I'm gonna chain 1, I'm gonna again do 2 single crochet together, single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So I'm gonna alternate from row 9 to row 18. I'm gonna alternate between row 7 and 8. Means when I finish my row with 2 single crochet, I'm gonna start the next row with 2 single crochet. If my row finishes or starts with 2 single crochet together, the next row will be 2 single crochet together. So we have that inclined look. Now in row 19, I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in every stitch, then I'm gonna chain 25. Once I reach 25 in row 20, I'm gonna make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in every chain. And then I'll continue single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. For row 21 to 24, I'm gonna chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. So I'm gonna fasten off and join my yarn to the top of the number 2 where I started the 4 rows of single crochet. So I'm gonna join my yarn on top of where I initially started, and I'm gonna chain 1 and single crochet across in every stitch, and then in every chain till the end of the row. Now for the next row, until 3 more rows, what I'm gonna do is chain 1, 2 single crochet together in the first 2 stitches, single crochet across, and 2 single crochet together in the last stitch. The next row will be the same. Chain 2, 2 single crochet together at the beginning of the row, and 2 single crochet together at the end of the row till 3 rows. So I'm gonna only do that, and that's it. I can fasten off afterwards, and then the number 2 is ready. So I hope the tutorial and explanation were clear. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.